He's using a lot of product there.
Yeah, he's like seasoning the meat.
No doubt. Look at all the vehicles coming through too. I mean, he's definitely doing it in a high traffic area.
I'm very curious at the brand that he's using, that he's able to get away with this outdoors.
I mean, look how long his arm motions are,
Yeah.
and look how fast it's starting to flash. It looks like it's kind of during rush hour of some sort.
I've been waiting for him to get
You
hit.
know, yeah. I mean, these cars are coming real close to him. One of my biggest concerns is he doesn't have gloves on. You know, you do not want to contaminate your applicator pad in any way. And also, I wouldn't apply it directly to the surface. I would actually apply it to the applicator. You know, that way you're priming it for one. For two, you understand where you've started and where you finished.
He's trying to work a lot of area, which
Yeah.
is going to give him less control over the flash time and reaction.
You know, I guess my big question is, without even knowing the back history, also, did he do any paint polishing to the surface, or is he just laying this directly right across the surface?
I mean, we're outside in an urban environment, and I'm very curious about his towels. What type of towels he's using? Are they the right GSM for this type of process? I hate to say it, I just see a lot of high spots in this feature.
Yeah, I agree.